Hello, how you doing? So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to cook this chicken breast with garlic and lemon. You can see here I've cut one open. It's beautifully cooked. It's very simple to make, just a little preparation. And this is top-notch chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got 3 quite small chicken breasts, no skin and no bone. And I've just cut into them. You can see that just there. I've just slightly cut into them, not all the way down, just a little bit, just to open them out somewhat. Salt and pepper, teaspoon each, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of thyme. I'm going with thyme, but you could change that to something else, no problem. And there I've got about 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Okay, so that's been in my fridge for about 4 or 5 hours actually now. You can see it's kind of, the lemon's gone right in there. That's what I said, like an hour is kind of minimum on that. Okay, let's get to cooker. Okay, so I've got my pan here. Just going to drop in a little bit of olive oil. There you can see the pan I've got, it's got those ridges in, you know, that's just going to sort of mark the chicken. I mean, you don't have to have that at all. Okay, so we're going to grab a piece of chicken. And we're going to drop it in. Okay, now we've got that left, okay? We're going to use that. I'll show you that in a moment, but first let's just cook these. We're on quite a high heat at the moment, just for about 3 minutes aside. So I've turned these a few times. I've now turned the heat down to medium. Now we're going to drop in all of the seasoning. And it's really important to get it in early because remember that's got raw chicken, it's been sitting in raw chicken. We're going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes, again, medium heat, turning it over several times. So you can see that the lemon juice has evaporated out. We're just left now with the olive oil and the garlic. I'm going to turn the heat up just a little bit, so just above medium now. I'm going to keep going. I mean, you can see here that that's still slightly pink in there. So I'm going to go for about another, so a little bit of a blast basically. Let's just turn that up a bit. Just increase the heat a little bit, and then we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to be turning them a lot actually now. I'm just going to keep flipping them over. They're going to cook nicely, and then we'll be done. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm happy with these now. I'm going to take them out, get them on a plate. Job done. And there you go, I've plated that up, and what I've done is I've cut one open. You can see that it is beautifully cooked, nice and moist and juicy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak. Over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist. But yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.